We got this door holder right
I'm going to enter to win.
So we're raffling off tomorrow at 2 o'clock, and it don't cost a penny to enter.
No, sir.
No, that's why we're getting information. So if you win, we can call you, email you, we'll send a smoke signal like we hope if we have to.
You can win the door holder for the Jeep, so you can remove the doors. We have a door holder. You do have the rolling jack that removes the top on Wranglers and Gladiators, and we do have a Fox Factory lift kit that we're
How much is that rolling jack? So we got a Fox lift, we got the roll jack for the,
I don't know how much they cost,
the
but
hardest piece
quite
to
a
take off
bit.
the Jeep, and then you
Get
got
one
the
for
door
free.
holder right there as well. So we're gonna raffle off tomorrow at 2 o'clock. We're gonna have to present to win.
Yes, we're giving away all three.
Do we have to be here?
No, absolutely not.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's why we got your phone number, email, so if you win and you're not present, we can let you know and get a hold of you so you can come pick up your prize.
I'm giving it to you.
Absolutely, you can trust me. I got you.
What swag are you grabbing?
What swag do we want here?
I don't know.
All right.
Absolutely, it's all free. Stuff we all get. That's what swag stands for.
Can I have a lanyard?
Got the Black Widow link.
I would love a lanyard.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Very welcome.
Absolutely.
Get you a ducky?
We got told if we don't get rid of them today, we already got 2 strikes, so they're gonna fire us. We gotta get rid of everything.
They have foxies.
Oh,
It's a foxy.
Yes, absolutely.
Koozie.
South
We
Florida.
got business cards too if y'all need them.
Yes.
one of those.
We need one of those, please.
Where's yours?
Oh,
Right here.
That's the one I'm looking for. Holt
Yep.
Jeffrey.
That's it.